In 1960, Congo got independence. Patrice Lumumba became prime minister. Within months, he was under arrest, and in 1961, he was dead. So how did Congo's first prime minister become a target so fast? This is history, not blame. We are here to understand what happened and why it mattered. Let's go back. Congo became independent on June 30th, 1960. The country was new, but the pressure around it was huge. Beijing has ruled Congo for decades. The economy depended on mining, and the new state was trying to stand up with a strong system already in place. Lumumba was a powerful speaker and a strong nationalist. He wanted a united Congo. He wanted Congo to control its own future. But almost immediately, the country entered crisis. Beijing troops returned, and Katanga, the richest mineral region, tried to break away. So Lumumba faced three fires at once: a breakdown of order, foreign interference fear, and a country trying to split. He asked the United Nations for help. The UN came, but it moved carefully and had limits. Lumumba felt he needed stronger support fast, and this is where the Cold War enters the story. At that time, the United States and the Soviet Union were competing everywhere, so Congo was not seen only as a new African country. It was seen as a prize. Lumumba's enemies painted him as too close to the Soviets. Lumumba's supporters said he was simply looking for help to keep Congo together. Either way, the result was dangerous for him. Inside Congo, politics also turned against him. President Joseph Kasavubu dismissed Lumumba. Lumumba argued the president did not have the right to do that. The country split at the top. Then the army stepped in. In September 1960, Mobutu took control in a coup. Lumumba was removed and placed under guard. Later, Lumumba tried to escape. He was captured, and then came the most tragic part. Lumumba was sent to Katanga, where his enemies were strongest. On January 17, 1961, Patrice Lumumba was killed in Katanga. Evidence shows that Katanga forces carried out the killing, with the involvement of Beijing officers. Other foreign powers were watching and influencing events around Congo at the time. But the details are complex and often argued about. What is not argued is the impact. Lumumba's death became a symbol across Africa, a warning that independence did not always mean full control, and that power interests inside and outside could shape a new country's future. Congo did not stop struggling after Lumumba. The crisis continued, and later, Mobutu ruled for decades. So when people ask, why did Congo's independence turn into chaos? Lumumba's story is one of the clearest answers. Not because he caused the crisis, but because the crisis showed how quickly a new country could be pulled apart by fear, rivalry, money, and outside pressure. And that's why Lumumba still matters. This is the final episode of my Congo Crisis mini-series. If you want more African history explained clearly with dates, map, and no confusion, subscribe.